We got the 81 on the roller here for the last few acres.
Last few acres for me, I should say. I haven't run it. It's probably been on this for the last, I suppose 220 acres or so. Which means I'm running auto steer in this field. I don't think the other guys were. I had to set a line when I got going this afternoon. I was about half done in this field, not quite half done. It's handy. I'm liking it. And I'm gonna try flying the drone. He's drilling alongside of me in the same field, so see if we can't get some cool shots. And I'm just gonna go back and forth here. A couple washouts I gotta go around, but should finish up beans early this afternoon with any luck. Well, here we are, the last field. I misinterpreted what he meant the other day when he said this field was rock picked. I assumed they had worked it and then rock picked it, but someone in the Ranger buzzed across it and picked the rock. So we're working it down. There's the roller. You can see it's a little green in here. So it's one of our, well, it's the last field. You know, a little later in the spring, the weeds start coming, but we are incorporating today. So hopefully that stuff works well. Take her nice and easy. Don't need to break nothing on our last field.
Chugging right along in the last field here.
Well, he's got about 5 acres left and we'll be done. So it's a good feeling. I am gonna run to John Deere, grab a couple bolts for that drill while we're thinking of it. And I gotta run another errand while I'm up there next to John Deere. So I'm out of here. So with that, you guys have a good one. Be safe as always. We'll check you later.